So if you're seeing this, it is 11/11, which is the 1 year anniversary of when I created the channel. It is not the 1 year anniversary of when I made my first upload. That's actually a few days later. But what do you consider the 1 year anniversary? I'm calling it when I actually made the channel, because to me that was the commitment that I'm going to do this. So 11/11 is my 1 year anniversary. And I just wanted to come on here and say thank you very much for coming to my channel, whether you're a subscriber, whether you just came and watched one video and for some reason have come back to this 1 year anniversary video. Any and all of it, I appreciate it so much. I had wanted to do a special concept for my 1 year anniversary video, and I'm not going to be able to finish getting it edited and put up in time, I don't think. So if you're seeing this, it didn't happen in time. I do still plan on posting that video. It's just not going to be today on 11/11. But I still wanted to post something thanking all of you guys for everything. Doing this video really has pushed me in a lot of ways, has fulfilled a lot of my, I shouldn't say a lot of my, but some major bucket list items for me. It's really helped me to grow, not only in just skills of like learning how to film and edit and what kind of content to include and just so much stuff. And it also makes me super appreciate even more YouTube videos when I watch them, now that I know all that has to go into that. All the equipment I've got, I went from like nothing, just my phone, to having a tripod and a mic and some lighting. A lot has changed just in 1 year. And I feel like I've built up a lot more confidence. I was so afraid that I was just going to be, I don't know, like, I don't know what I was afraid of, but I was afraid, and then I did it, and it's been fine. Anyway, I just wanted to come on and say thank you for being here with me. I hope that you're getting something from this channel, from these videos, and I also hope that I get to see you in the next year. Next year being, my next 1 year being on YouTube. I'm not going anywhere until 2020. I'm still going to be posting stuff between now and the end of this year. But yeah, anyway, I'm getting long-winded. I just want to come on and say thank you. I'm sorry that my original concept is not going to be out on time, but I appreciate your patience and understanding in this moment. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.